Well, I got an assistant. One.
Delegation. Hello.
Yeah, that's a huge thing. You have to be humble enough to say, I can't do this all on my own. I need help. Right. And I think that's one of the things that a lot of people aren't willing to do. And a lot of people have a worthiness component in, well, who am I to have an assistant? Well, who are you to not have an assistant? Fuck it, do it. So I have an assistant and she posts all of my social media content every day. And then when we do the Patreons, she does is she chops a portion of that and puts it on YouTube. Mm-hmm. Until I can go live. And then what I do from there is I go live on all of my social media platforms, with the exception of YouTube, because you have to have 1,000 followers, and I'm not there yet, but I will be. And so I go live to give everybody a little sample of what they're getting. So.
Awesome. So I'm curious, so since you're delegating and you've got your social media manager, congratulations. That's awesome.
Thank you.
How do you stay authentic to your true voice when you've got somebody who's doing some of that content piece on your behalf?
So I'm super open and super flexible. So I am always not the best with the written word. I'm really good at voice. I'm really good at video. I can do that all day. However, written word, my words get mixed up. And I don't feel like I represent myself as well as I can. And so I found someone that brings that out in me. We've actually been working together for a couple of years. She used to be a student of mine. So she knows me.
So she really gets you. Yeah.
She really gets me. She really knows me. And if there's something that she has a question about, she always asks me, and I really like that.